I busi for some activities in the Yama Obibia Apa, and I was already a body and some no Honorable Eugene Boakye entry and our day and some other Bibina Ediaba and Montene. Yeah, watchers or no dear or share abysmal performance at MPP 24 and a Dr. Mahmoud Bomia, a to me the MP Tamanyokono, Echo Druya. Nanka was Susan Komobaya, was some Comodio Mukukaka, and the Guanum Nanko more resign if from position now and the Pafofro. It's me a bet was what he said. MPP 24 and Garcia, Omutumi Edibu, MPP Amanyoko. In fact, or Eka Ononkwa, Anka, MPP 24 de Anka, Omunina, Efriso, ya, and the Pafofro Anna Abba, Abetna, na Uyano, Anna Wakasa, or the new papa, Anna Wade Ekasa, Edichran and a bee. So one and a bee, what to me about Montene, Ekasa, while Kuffour near dear Ekasa, a MPP Amanyoko. Who is who can amount to someone and a bee, one so, oh, Cassa. Young Kay Cassa Nina, Adiama, and Pennyphobia to say Kuffour, and then my Pocunum, and to me, a child of my drain, Ama, or Macadia, Bebois MPP, Amanyokono, one and a bee, waiting about Montene, Ebe Cassa. In fact, what to be at the amount of papa per year, and yet a cent, one MPP penny for this year, and yes, and Keta. Ever said, now, Equity, Honorable Eugene Boakye, and today some more to me. They etuda yaba de omudiano ye de beto aso
I'm not na bi kasai o just say it's going to bring the party together
anya no kre onya hwe sansem no munya ika. Why are you selecting a presidential candidate to be able to go out there and campaign? The run of the party is not the presidential candidate's duty. If you national executive, you consultant executive, you regional executive, no. The running of this party is not in the hands of any presidential candidate. Do you understand?
Me too.
Unless they are a dereliction of duty. Say they mama na untimi nye. Na so bi na meye ma. Don't believe. Omopa omuye na omo setting of obi kwa na ekasa. To go and defend it. Wo le omo defend this adno. Show mu din. Bo mu din. Ye bi na oti aboboy. Omo kwa defend this adno. I don't know macro for kwa na ko kasa. John Board is a former general secretary. Correct upon Dambuche. Why are you not calling these people to come out to speak to it? Why the same face, the same voices in the BR? Can't you tell me?
You think it's deliberate, right?
Oh, quite deliberate. Quite deliberate. But you see, we are not going to allow them to do it because you're perceived by power. If you're not going to allow some personal interest, to subvert the interest of the majority, we're not going to allow it. You're perceived by power. And by power, who will be our vote. We don't want a situation where you say, I'm going to be a theatre. Yes, I hear it. It's a idea, you won't say Democratic Party. You mo bia kandi opesoka you mo bia fana dwemra na le bebo party e dey say fa conference no put in the motion form and table it all the banner do na ka say yeah you ba ko to aba no ni aye but won't mean ka say national council take a decision in addition to taking final let me tell you me to let me feel say officers be resource nya no na visa officers be ankobio oh yes now resource when I then I catch you on to aba.
It's only first vice chairman Buti. Yeah, job better be out here.
We are concerned you.
National executives ni na almost fail. Yeah, or no count. On him
no kasa. O the wabusa question. The mo be heading. Wabusa question say uti. Me ma gene say. Ye two abani we here.
Yes.
And go for starting say me general secretary. Na me nye imagine. Na me nye imagine.
Okay.
But na me speak me say resource enya no. Elections because this election result is the most abysmal, the most appalling, the most disappointing under the Fourth Republic. In the day now, can you on your support of a oh, they are saying me.
Yes.
Me said the menu are paying McMahon year in 2009. You lose elections now. On the say you on what they call 49.7%, and they about 48%, and so crowd say only a view. The open omina ankubio the open one sem kubio na general secretary na ohin nto so ko the party for no ka kire no anu omina so maybe na de oba ene esomu the cotranche it immediate to aba we na me obi a politician to aba we the very because that ya to aba we be credit data no o dey say yes me nua Katachi John Boadu obaye yes 168 or the about 137 plus 1 onko olusu 32 seats Obi so aba, ye dey be also be lose 49 17 6 more. It's not they say was have a co-election. What the other campaign the two be na wo dey na form. It's not make catch say me dey na me so mu nyina obi anko bi.
Should they step down? Should they do the honorable thing?
It's a matter for their conscience. It's not for me to say. It's a matter for their conscience. Yes. Say more Juma no say Juma maye ama aso ani a okubi wa enye den. Obi a win power maybe a general secretary be or re-election or winning. Damboche did it. He or twice. Yombo do call twice. Obi a be a ko back. O the it is a results no bana en so ania. That's why the honorable thing by stepping aside. O the say nyem na se be catch rewo. Na media na minim say before media say make na bio no. And before media make na for the position no. Na me so mu na nya do obi a begina. Based on the results are in Sakai. But hey, we are talking about ambitions here. Inti, you remember the party for no work actually. This is Ukoyi presidential candidate in there. What me campaign? Because it's a Ghana for Obatodum. The NDC be on person mete. What you say? President can way not yo. What you? Say Obi misbehaving the party. President could discipline so discipline. I don't constitution man why.
No.
It's you got to Ukoyi president can now bob party in January. I say unnim wajuma. And respectfully, na unnim wajuma. Because a new party no is not run by, it's run from the base to the top. Once you become a national officer, muna mo share around the party and share every week. We share every 3 months. Ne kanina e che wajuma. Wajuma is mo ye. It will be a wire president. Though presidential candidate once elected becomes part of the steering committee, and next one, excuse me, and you know, Juma say on the party in one job, and you know, credit.
So you feel this reverse cycling is sort of a recipe for disaster?
Of course.
For the MPP?
My member of parliament in Preno.
Okay.
Every election cycle, every election cycle. That's my mandate. Our constitution, dear mammy. Between constituency elections, MED constituency executives.
Yes.
My two regional elections, the regional executives. My two national, the national executives. My two presidential, my two parliamentary. My two maybe 4 years now. I know better say 4 years now. I go to one and go the power from you. You say Ghana, if you're a October president.
Yeah, too.
It's the idea of it. November, I come to October now. The Muraba said the 18th of November now. A better president in January. Or as it's young China, young caught in the following year. 70 man go to a president. Now my trouble and go to you. What's with that?
No, but why do you feel, Cesar, bottom top now? The system now can and they as a yes in it. You use the word convenience.
Yes.
Right? To convenient who?
Well, whoever is doing it, it's a matter of convenience. Because you see, the party is built from the base. Or more police station for one better presidential MP. You cannot impose on police station, okay, say where you met as presidential candidate. Na ochna asa na akoto e form de no e form for bega beka say na say ngena mto ba ma ebia honorable Eugene Boakye nti so me president candidate o meto ba ma no so mo de ye tu om dem so dey say it yes o ma party for na wo form no e ba ne to aba no you can say the first obey leader no na ma cons party ni mo adwo me say o te otia o permanent master say mo badwo is it want to create more problems?
Really?
Yes. What's that? Adibia, oh yeah, me run on one side. Oh,